Hello, my lovely creative friends. Welcome back to DIY Sewing with Love. If you're just starting your sewing journey, you are in the exact right place. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to turn simple fabric scraps into three beautiful, quick, and beginner friendly home projects. They're super practical for everyday use, perfect for outdoor picnics, and can instantly create a cozy holiday atmosphere in your kitchen. Before we jump in, a quick tip for absolute beginners. If any step feels a bit too fast, you can easily slow down this video. Just click the gear settings icon at the bottom right of the video player. Select playback speed and choose 0.75 times or zero point 0.5 times. That way, you can follow along smoothly at your own relaxed pace. All the tools, fabric suggestions, and materials I'm using today are listed with links in the description box below, along with a link to my full beginner's sewing playlist. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join our cozy sewing community. Let's start with our very first project, a gorgeous hexagon-shaped pot holder and hot pad. This geometric design is so fun to make and adds such a charming, festive Christmas and holiday vibe to any table setup. Let's start piecing our strips. Look how beautiful our hexagon hot pad turned out. Now, moving on to project number 2 at 8:24. Custom fabric coasters. These quick little gems are so satisfying to sew and keep your wooden coffee tables and picnic setups safe from water rings. Remember, if you need a closer look at how to sew these neat edges, simply adjust the playback speed in YouTube settings to 0.75 times. These projects are not only great for your own home, but they also make thoughtful, heartwarming handmade gifts. With upcoming American family holidays like Labor Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, and Valentine's Day, handmade sets are always in huge demand. Here's a great small business tip for makers. You can gather your leftover fabric scraps and sew color-coordinated sets of different sizes, like combining a hot pad, matching coasters, and organizers. Selling them as themed gift bundles in your online shop or at local craft fairs is a fantastic way to turn zero-waste scrap sewing into extra income. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to check out the description box below for the playlist link to watch more beginner-friendly tutorials. And finally, at 11:05, our third project, versatile fabric storage boxes and basket organizers. These fabric containers are pure magic. You can use them everywhere, in your craft room or sewing workshop for spools and tools, around the house for daily odds and ends, or take them outside on a cozy picnic. They are lightweight, completely washable, won't break if dropped, and you can even place them over food items or small bowls to protect your snacks from insects outdoors. Using scrap fabrics to create functional household items like these is so rewarding, sustainable, and fun. You can easily make a whole series of matching storage baskets in small, medium, and large sizes to sell as organization sets. Thank you so much for sewing with me today. All links to the tools, fabrics, and my complete playlist are in the description box right below this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button. Leave a comment letting me know which of the 3 projects was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy DIY sewing projects. Happy sewing, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.